DJI just put two drones on the market that share almost nothing in common except the logo on the box, and picking the wrong one for how you actually shoot is going to cost you. The Lito series and the Avata 360 are not competing with each other. They are serving completely different creative visions, and the gap between them is wider than most people realize going in. In this video, we are breaking down exactly what separates these two, where each one genuinely excels, where each one falls short, and which type of creator should be looking at which drone. By the end of this, you will have a clear, confident answer, not just a list of specs to decode on your own. The Lito 1 and Lito X1 are built around one core idea: get in the air fast, get great footage, and get back to Earth without any drama. Both sit under 249 grams, which in most regions means no registration requirement and fewer flight restrictions right out of the gate, a genuinely practical advantage if you are just getting started or flying casually. Both shoot 4K at 60 FPS with a 48-megapixel camera on a stabilized gimbal, smart shooting modes including active track, hyperlapse, and panoramas, and up to 36 minutes of flight time that extends to 52 minutes with the optional battery. Here is where things get really interesting. The X1 steps things up meaningfully with a larger 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles, up to 14 stops of dynamic range, forward-facing LiDAR for obstacle sensing in low light and tight spaces, and 42 gigabytes of built-in storage. The Lito 1 covers the basics confidently. The X1 covers them and then some. The Avata 360 is operating in a completely different lane. This drone does not ask you to point the camera in the right direction before you fly. It captures everything simultaneously. Two 64-megapixel 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors work together to deliver full 360-degree spherical video up to 8K at 60 FPS and stills up to 120 megapixels, which means you collect an entire environment in one flight and decide how to frame it after landing. You can also flip into single lens mode for conventional 4K 60 FPS footage when you want a more traditional shot. Control options are broader too: standard remote, FPV controller, or full goggles with motion control for immersive first-person flight. And transmission via O4+ pushes live feed range up to roughly 20 kilometers. Trust me on this one, the creative ceiling on the Avata 360 is genuinely in a different category. But it weighs 455 grams, requires registration in most markets, and comes with an editing workflow that demands more computing power and time in post to get the most out of that spherical footage. You know what is interesting? The spec comparison makes both drones look attractive, until you think about the day-to-day reality of owning each one. With the Lito series, what you see is what you get. Point, shoot, done. The footage is ready to edit without any specialized workflow. The Avata 360 is more nuanced. Capturing every angle simultaneously sounds like a creative superpower, and it is, but stitching and reframing 8K spherical files takes serious software and a capable machine. If your editing setup is not ready for that, those huge files sit on a drive waiting. The Lito X1's 42GB internal storage handles a normal day of shooting without touching a card. The Avata 360 also has 42GB built in, plus a microSD slot, which matters more here because those 360 files eat storage quickly. Neither trade-off kills either drone, but both are worth knowing before you commit.
Here's the bottom line. If you're new to drones or want easy, reliable aerial shots, the Lito series, especially the X1, is the smart choice. It's portable, simple, and very capable. But if you're an experienced pilot or want more creative, immersive footage, the Avata 360 is the more powerful option. It demands more, but gives you far more creative freedom. These drones aren't competing. They serve different needs. So which are you? Practical or experimental? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.